Well, guess what, folks? It's happened again. Weather team is wrong again. The tracks have changed. Dorian is moving north, I believe now, at about 1 marinera. So everything got pushed back another day. I don't think we're going to see any even remotely bad weather until tomorrow, and that's if we really see anything at all. It's good news for us. However, if you live or know anyone that lives in the Bahamas, I'm truly sorry for what happened down there. That place got absolutely ravaged. It's going to be a long recovery down there. I've been through hurricanes, I've been through a tornado, I've been through some other natural disaster type things, and nothing with that type of force, with that type of ferocity. It's going to be bad down there for a while. With that being said, I would like to thank Hurricane Dorian for making it possible to see wait times at Flight of Passage at 10 minutes. And that's why we today have packed up our stuff and we are headed to the park. So I think we're going to check out the Food and Wine and maybe head over to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and possibly Animal Kingdom. We don't know yet. We're going to kind of take it as it goes and see how things are at all the parks, and just see if we can't have a good day over there. So we'll be getting some video and some pictures out here soon, so check it out. It's the standby line, nobody in it. Step over. Got it?
Ahora sí, señorita, mantenga las manos y brazos y pies y piernas. Espero.
You want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsie's made a magic winter show. They summer snow for Saturday and you. We're going to Elsie's ice house. You and you and you, all of you. See you there.
On a day very much like today, on the same places, that unselfish act of true love, and
ready to see outside?
They're born ready. boat comes to a complete stop at the dock, and you are asked to get out to the right.
I wasn't aware that required an encryption matrix. Because it doesn't. Authorized channels only, civilian. Come here. Negative. On your way then. Keep goodbye.
Green button, bud. There you go.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get in real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly out. Oh, watch it. Chewie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
What do I do?
That's you. Pull it down.
Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse.
Yeah.
Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Out of the ship. Well, go taxi out. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Over. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and seal us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking, keep shooting. Thought you had it. Landed. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. To my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
They did pretty good. 71 thirds, that's not bad.
the road. Don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
That is so cool.
That's pretty awesome.
Have a good one.
Thanks for letting me fly with you guys.
This way, please. This way. You read okay?
Maintenance bay.
You bring the photo in
This
one
thing
piece.
see it every day. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
There's no one around. I wouldn't let my
That's pretty awesome. We did all right.
How'd you do shoot, buddy?
Me and BB did awesome. You, on the other hand, crashed the Millennium Falcon a few times.
Yeah, that's because I'm flying with a gimbal.
I know, it's hard to fly that way.
I'm trying to pay attention on how to work a gimbal for the first time ever, and also fly on the main Falcon because it's tricky.
We did get 20%.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. That's our highest so far. Last time we got 18%.